In my opinion, it is a huge missed opportunity if we don't talk about mental math in algebra class. Here's what I mean. One of my favorite mental math tricks is squaring numbers that end in 5. For all of these, the answers all end in 25. And to find the rest of the answer, we take a look at the number created when we remove the last digit and multiply that by the next whole number up. So 3 times 4 is 12, 7 times 8 is 56, 10 times 11 is 110. So here are all the answers. But how do I know that this works all the time? Algebra. Now, what about this one? If you know one square, how can you mentally calculate the next square up? Well, all you do is start with that square, add twice the base, and add 1 to get the next square. So 51 squared is 2500 plus 50 plus 50 plus 1. So 51 squared is 2601. But how do I know that this strategy works all the time? You guessed it, we can see why this works every time through algebra. And lastly, what about this one? Now, personally, I can't mentally calculate these squares, but I do know that this is a difference of squares. So all I have to do is multiply the sum of the bases by the difference of the bases. The sum of the bases is 863, the difference of the bases is 1. Multiplying those two numbers together, we see that the answer is 863. So algebra is cool because we are doing infinitely many problems at the same time. But it's nice to step out of the abstract and plug in numbers to see how this can be applied. And when we do that, people can see how algebra can help us with mental math.